Hey, to check your heart rate on the Samsung Galaxy Watch FE, first of all, you will have to swipe to the tiles and then click and hold with your finger, and now you are able to actually add the heart rate monitor. So tap right here. Now you'll have to scroll and you have to search for heart rate monitor. It will be in the Samsung Health tab. It's just right here, the heart rate. So when you tap on it once, it will be actually added into your tiles. Then click on it one more time. And as you can see right now, all you have to do is just to put your watch on the wrist, and now your Galaxy Watch FE starts measuring your heart rate. So we have to just wait for a few seconds until get the result, and when it is actually measuring, you will actually find this information that it's blinking. And below you can also find some other options. So as you can see, currently I've got 69. So the measurement takes around 15 seconds or 20 seconds. And this is it for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.